Today let us start a new topic, body fluids and circulation. Generally, in simple organisms like sponges, coelenteriads, which live in water, they circulate water through their body cavities. By that, they can exchange these substances like oxygen, nutrients, etc. with their body cells. In higher organisms like human beings, special fluids like blood and lymph are present for the transportation of such substances like gases, nutrients, hormones, etc. If we come to blood, this is specialized fluid connective tissue. It consists of plasma and formed elements. Plasma consists of 55% of the blood, whereas formed elements constitute 45% of the blood. When we come to composition of the blood, as I already told you, it consists of plasma and formed elements. Formed elements are nothing but blood cells, RBC, WBC and blood platelets. RBC are called erythrocytes, WBC are called leukocytes. Again, WBC or leukocytes are of two types, granulocytes which contain granules, whereas agranulocytes which does not contain granules. Granulocytes are of three types again, neutrophils, basophils, eosinophils, and agranulocytes are of two types, monocytes, lymphocytes. Lymphocytes are again two types, B lymphocytes and T lymphocytes. So, this is the composition of the blood. When we come to plasma, it is straw-colored viscous fluid. It forms the matrix of the blood, which is non-living. It occupies the space between blood cells. Plasma composition is, it consists of 90 to 92% of water, and major proteins like fibrinogen, globulins and albumins constitute 6 to 8% of plasma. This is very, very important for NEET. Once the question came in 2018, okay, fibrinogen is the important clotting factor which helps in blood clotting. It is secreted from liver, which is not given in NCERT, but it will be produced in liver. And next, globulins are the proteins which are helpful in defensive mechanism of the body. There are three types of globulins, alpha, beta and gamma globulins. Gamma globulins are the antibodies. And albumins, they maintain osmotic balance. They maintain blood volume and blood pressure. And plasma contains minerals also, like small amounts of minerals like sodium ions, calcium ions, magnesium ions, bicarbonate ions, chloride ions, etc. This chloride shift we discussed in respiration, no? Bicarbonate with chloride ions. That is called chloride shift. Next, glucose and amino acids and lipids, which are the end products of carbohydrates, proteins and lipids, fatty acids and glycerol. Again, they are formed into lipids. Always they are in transit form in the body. Plasma without clotting factors, it is called serum. It is also important. Coming to formed elements, the formed elements include erythrocytes, RBC, leukocytes, WBC and thrombocytes, platelets. Erythrocytes are the most abundant of all cells. Erythrocytes are the most abundant of all the cells present in the blood. Adult man generally contains 5 million to 5.5 million per cubic milliliter of the blood. They are biconcave in shape without nucleus, and they are oval in shape in camel and llama, and their lifespan is 120 days, and they have no nucleus and other organelles. So lack of nucleus is advantage for more space to carry oxygen by the hemoglobin, and there are no mitochondria, so they respire anaerobically. Even though they transport oxygen, they do not use up that oxygen. They undergo anaerobic respiration. And next, RBC contain carbonic anhydrase enzyme, which is helpful for the transportation of carbon dioxide. Coming to hemoglobin present in the RBC, It is about 12 to 16 grams of hemoglobin is present in 100 ml of blood, and hemoglobin contain iron, and the formation of RBC is called erythropoiesis, and erythropoiesis occurs in red bone marrow in adults, and hemoglobin plays a very significant role in transport of respiratory gases. It combines with oxygen and forms hemoglobin, and it releases the delivers the oxygen to the tissues, and RBC also transports carbon dioxide from tissues to lungs as carbaminohemoglobin by hemoglobin. And tomorrow let us discuss about the leukocytes.